If you want to download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop, then watch this video till the end without skipping, because I'm going to discuss every possible method. And yes, there's even a method that can help you play the game without buying it yourself by official way. So don't skip anything. Before downloading the game, open your browser, search for GTA 5 system requirements, and match the minimum requirements with your PC. If your PC meets the requirements, then let's move to the download method. Open any browser, search for Steam. Go to the first official website download Steam, install it, and log in. If you don't know how to log in, I already have a video for that. Now search for GTA 5 inside Steam. Scroll down and click Add to Cart. If you can buy it from Steam or Rockstar, that's great. Now let's talk about the method you're actually waiting for. But before that, if you haven't liked the video and subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Steam also gives an official gift option inside the store. So if you have a friend, they can gift the game to you directly and safely. But if you're thinking, I don't have any friend who can gift me the game, then don't worry. I've made a full video explaining the complete process. And yes, I try to help as many people as I can. Of course, I can't help everyone, but I do whatever is possible from my side. And how I gift the game, I've explained that completely in that video.